Good afternoon, everyone. Shout out sa candidate number one ng Garchitorena, Janet de los Santos. At ang kanyang motto in life, it is better to have a heart which is larger than life and ask life to expand than to try to cage the only thing worth living for. Ano da? English? So, dapat daw maganda yung kalooban natin. Kaya, it's better to give than to receive. Pang candidate number one talaga ang datingan. Umaambon, umaambon. Sa lahat ng gustong magpa-shoutout, comment your name, address, at kung ano ang gusto nyo sabihin. Ayan na, umuulan na. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng comment mo, shout out ko.